exchange forgiveness with me, Hamlet. Mine and my father's death come not upon thee. Not thine on me, heaven make thee free of it. I follow thee.
I'm dead, Horatio. Wretched queen. Adieu. You, to look pale and tremble at this chance, to look mute or audience to this act, had I but time, as this foul sergeant death is strict in his arrest. Oh, I could tell you, but let it be. Horatio, I am dead. Thou livest. Report me and my cause aright to the unsatisfied.
Never believe it. I am more an antique Roman than a Dane. Here's yet some liquor left.
As thou art a man, give me the cup. Let go, by heaven I'll have it. Oh, good Horatio. What a wounded name. Things standing thus unknown shall live behind me. If thou didst ever hold me in thy heart, absent thee from felicity a while, and in this harsh world draw thy breath in pain to tell my story. What warlike noise is this?
Oh, morning, Rasmus, conquest come from Poland.
Oh, I die, Horatio. This potent poison quite o'ercrows my spirit. I cannot live to hear the news from England, but I do prophesy. The election lights on Fortinbras. He has my dying voice, so tell him, with the occurrence more and less, which is elicited. The rest is silence.
Now cracks a noble heart.